Welcome to the Tech Pro. Identifying your niche. Choosing the right niche is crucial for the success of your YouTube channel. It's about finding a topic or subject matter that you're passionate about, but also one that has a significant audience and potential for monetization. By focusing on a specific niche, you can establish yourself as an authority in that space and attract a dedicated audience. Creating quality content. Quality content is the cornerstone of any successful YouTube channel. This involves producing videos that are engaging, informative, and entertaining. It's essential to understand your audience's preferences and tailor your content to meet their needs. Additionally, optimizing your videos for search engines and utilizing compelling thumbnails and titles can help increase visibility and watch time. Building a strong brand. Building a strong brand identity is key to standing out in a crowded YouTube landscape. This includes developing a recognizable logo, consistent visual elements, and a unique style that reflects your channel's personality. A strong brand helps to establish trust with your audience and encourages viewers to return to your channel for more content. Monetization strategies. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel, including AdSense revenue, sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and merchandising. Diversifying your income streams can help stabilize your earnings and maximize your channel's earning potential. It's important to choose monetization strategies that align with your content and resonate with your audience. Engaging with your audience. Engaging with your audience is essential for building a loyal following and fostering a sense of community around your channel. This involves responding to comments, engaging with viewers on social media platforms, and soliciting feedback from your audience. By actively engaging with your viewers, you can create a more interactive and supportive environment for your channel. Building a successful YouTube cash cow requires a combination of strategic planning, high-quality content creation, and effective audience engagement. By implementing these strategies consistently and staying true to your brand, you can unlock the full potential of your channel and turn it into a lucrative source of income.